How to upload files on DeepSeek AI. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload files on DeepSeek AI. So let's get started. First of all, open your DeepSeek AI and you need to have an account on it. And once you've opened a chat, you'll be able to see a plus icon over here. So just click on plus icon and then you gotta click on document. So once you click on document, you'll be able to see that you have been redirected to my file section of your device. Now, I'm using iPhone, but if you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. And when you click on plus icon and click on document, you'll be redirected to your file section of your device. And now over here, you can select any document and upload. For example, I'm going to click on this over here and then just click on open. And once you click on open, you'll be able to see that the document is uploading, and shortly the document will get uploaded. And then you can even write down any questions such as summarize this document for me. And now you can see that the document has been uploaded, and then you can ask them this question and then hit enter. And then they're going to summarize the document for you. So that was how you can upload a document on DeepSeek AI. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.